Welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Rupali Shinde. Today we will discuss the topic Rural Development in India and overview. Rural development has become a buzzword in the era liberalization, privatization and globalization. It can be only when we take care of rural people and their needs, that is rural economy, must be integrated with global economy. The country where 4 out of every 5 citizens live in the village, rural development is obvious and Indian lives villages. Unless rural India change, India cannot progress. In the context of developing countries like India, rural development is an attempt to improve the life condition of rural people. The term rural development connotes overall development of rural areas to improve the quality of life of poor people. In this sense, it is a comprehensive and multidimensional concept and encompass the development of agriculture and allied activities, village and cottage industries and craft, socio-economic infrastructure, community service and facilities, and all above all, human resources in rural areas. As a phenomena, rural development is the end result interaction between various physical, technological, economic, social, cultural, and institutional factors. As a strategy, it is designed to improve the economic and social well being of a specific group of people, the rural people. Rural development is not as simple as it looks on paper. It needs capability to be built up with the suitable structure and change in administrative, technical, and political area of rural development. What is rural? What's rural are? Rural is area where the people are engaged in primary industry in the sense that they produce things directly to the first time in cooperation with nature. Rural areas are fairly settled places where from the influence of large cities and towns. Such areas are distinct from more incentive settled urban and suburban areas. People live in villages, on farms, and in other isolated houses. Rural areas can have an agriculture character, through many rural areas are characterized by an economy based on logging, mining, oil and gas exploration, or tourism. Lifestyle in rural areas are different than those in urban areas, mainly because limited services are available. Governmental services like enforcement, schools, finance department, and libraries may be distinct, limited in scope on or unavailable. Utilities like water server, street lighting, and garbage collection may not be present. Public transport is sometimes absent or very limited. People use their own vehicles, walk on ride or animal, slow rate of social change, and etc. Agriculture would be the major occupation of rural area. Development refers to growth, evaluation, stage of inducement or progress. The progress of growth is gradually and had sequentially phases. Always there is an increase differentiation. It is also refers to overall development towards greater efficient and complex situation. Rural development is a process which aims at improve the well and being and self-realization of people living in the rural areas through collective process. Rural development is a strategy designed to improve the economical and social areas of rural people. Objectives of rural development. The main objective of rural development program is to raise the economy and social level of the rural people, to develop farm, home, public services, and village community, to bring improvement in producing of crop and animals living condition, to improve health and education condition, and etc. To improve villages with their own efforts to improve the village communication. Scope and importance of rural development. Rural development is a dynamic process which is a main concern with the rural areas. These include agricultural growth, putting up of economy and social infrastructure, fair wages, as also housing and house sites for the landless, village planning, public health, education, and functional literacy, communication, and etc. Rural development is a simple concept which is more complex to define Rural development is a multidimensional concept which involves all kinds of development in rural areas through collectively environmental and voluntary agencies effort in our country where the majority of population dwells villages. National development become almost synonymous with rural development. India cannot shine without the shine of rural India. Government has initially substance and refined many rural development programs under the different five-year plans. Rural development is a national necessity and has considerable importance in India because of the following reasons. About three-fourths of India's population live in rural area. Thus, rural development is needed to develop nation as a whole. Nearly half the country's national amounts in derived from the agriculture, which is a major occupation of rural India. Around 70% of the Indian population gets employment through agriculture. Bulks of raw materials for industries come from agriculture and rural sector. Increase in industrial population can be justified only in rural population motivation and increasing the purchasing power to buy industrial goods. Growing disparity between the urban elite and the rural poor can lead to political instability. Government had started rural development program in 1948. The name of program is Grow More Food Campaign. Total 45 rural programs are started by the government. Nowadays, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 or NREGA number 42 was later renamed as the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Development Guarantee Act or MNREGA is an Indian labor law and social security measure that the aim to guarantee the right to work. It aims to ensure livelihood security in rural areas by providing at least 100 days of wages employment in a financial year to every household others member volunteer to do unskilled manual work. Starting from 200 district on 2nd February 2006, the NREGA cover all the districts of India from 1st April 2008. The status is held by the government as the largest and most ambitious social security and the public works program in the world is in this World Development Report. 2014, the World Bank termed it a stellar example of rural development. The MNREGA was entitled with the objective of the enhanced livelihood security in rural areas to providing at least 100 days of guaranteed wages employment in financial year to every household. Those adult members volunteers to be unskilled manual work. Another aim of MNREGA is to create durable asset such as roads, canals, ponds, wells. Employment is to be provided within 5 kilometers of an applicant residence and minimum wages are to be paid if work is not provided within 15 days of applying. Applicant are entitled to an employment allowances. The employment under NREGA is a entitlement. NREGA is to be implemented mainly to Gram Panchayat. The involvement of contractors is banned. Labor incentives tasks like creating infrastructure for water harvesting, drought relief, and flood control are preferred. Apart from providing economic security and creating rural assets, NREGA can help pro- protecting the environment, empowering rural women, reducing rural urban migration, and for fostering social equality among others. Thank you for watching video.